What's so particular about Binance's NFT platform launch occasion at present? Cryptocurrency trade Binance will formally launch its NFT Marketplace platform at present, June 24, with a novel digital artwork public sale occasion. To have a good time, the launch of NFT Marketplace, the NFT market developed by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency trade, will maintain in public sale known as Genesis, with the main target being 3 self-portraits by Monster of the world portrait village Andy Warhol, in addition to Divine Comedy, Rebaguet by Spanish painter Salvador Dali. The Genesis auction will be beginning at 9 a.m. on June 24, 2021, Vietnam time, and can final inside 5 days. 3 Self-Portraits is a trilogy of self-portraits by artist Andy Warhol made in 1986, who pioneered the pop art faculty of the second half of the 20th century. 3 Self-Portraits exemplifies the silkscreen method adopted by Warhol to permit simple replica of brushstrokes, creating 3 portraits of the artist totally different color angles. Andy Warhol is taken into account to have contributed considerably to serving to carry visible artwork to the general public, particularly the present Generation X and Millennials, who've constructed the Internet, ushering within the new period, digital assets in addition to blockchain. A complete of 100 NFTs will probably be generated, the winner may even obtain an precise printout. While Divine Comedy, Rebaguet is a piece created by artist Salvador Dali in 1965 on the request of the Spanish authorities to have a good time the 700th birthday of the good poet Dante Alighieri. Incidentally, this year 2021 will mark the 700th anniversary of Dante's loss of life. The Divine Comedy NFT model of Binance will comprise many particular components to assist improve the distinctiveness of the image, together with the Bitcoin image, the Binance brand and the signature of founder Changpeng Zhao, CZ. Not stopping there, the public sale may even embody NFTs, mystery box, secret box. Each secret field will embody an NFT, with random rarity and nature. The first mystery box assortment will embody 16 characters from the Japanese Tokidoki franchise. Mystery boxes will probably be on sale from 7 p.m. on June 24, 2021, Vietnam time. Binance's NFT Marketplace platform additionally introduces this system, 100 creators, together with 100 artists chosen by the ground to create artwork merchandise for customers. Only these artists will probably be granted permission to supply NFT on Binance's platform within the weeks following the launch. The Discover of the Ground reads, NFT technology has revolutionized the art sector of the world, realizing the concept of digital property rights. The Genesis auction will once again confirm this meaning and present to the public the digitized versions of 2 works that represent the changing breeze of each period in which they appear. According to Binance, the aim of the public sale is to carry a new renaissance to the NFT sector. The public sales identified Genesis means origin, typically used to check with the primary blocks created by blockchains. It will be seen that Binance locations quite a lot of hope on its NFT platform that may restore the crypto neighborhood's curiosity in NFT. Immediately after Binance's announcement to construct NFT Marketplace in April, many different exchanges akin to Huobi and FTX additionally adopted, launching NFT initiatives of their very own growth. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well.